When you have a campaign running and you want to duplicate that campaign so that you don't have to redo everything, you can clone your campaign. All you need to do is just jump on your campaign's dashboard, um, click on the radio button next to the campaign that you want to duplicate, navigate up to the Quick Actions tab, click on the down arrow and click on Clone. This retains every aspect of your campaign, including the name, and it just calls it a copy. You can change the name, or no, you can leave it as Vegas Llama 20 Puts Copy. It'll take you through the same process, but it would have every detail that you had already said before. So it'll have the team. You can change the team if you need to. It will give you the option to now change the time if you need to, if you want to change the schedule of your campaign. It'll also give you the option to pick new boards if you need to. And currently now it has all the boards that I've selected. So I'll just save and continue. So it has 35 boards in there. I'm not going to add more boards. If I need to, I can, or if I have to remove boards, I can. Save and continue. It also has a schedule that I've selected before. So I'll save and continue. And it also has the budget, the hourly pacing that I'd set before. It retains that. If I save and continue, it takes you to the artwork section where it allows you to upload new artworks. You can pick from your gallery or you can pick from your computer, depending on what your needs are. Save and continue. And this is your summary of your new campaign. And this is your cloned or duplicated campaign ready to go live.